Get ready to power up your electric vehicle the smart way with EMPORIA Level 2 J1772 EV Charger. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to install, operate, and optimize your EV charger effortlessly. About the product. The EMPORIA electric vehicle charger offers up to 46 miles per hour charging speed via a hardwired connection, up to 9 times faster than a standard wall outlet. UL listed and ENERGY STAR certified, it meets stringent safety standards. The charger is J1772 compatible with most North American EVs and allows smart charging via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, enabling real-time energy monitoring and scheduling for optimal utility rates. Professional installation is recommended for safety and performance. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the EMPORIA Level 2 EV Charger, J1772 connector gun, mounting bracket, installation tools, gun cradle, user manual, product overview, charging station, J1772 connector gun, power cable with NEMA 14 to 50 plug, charging cord, foam protector, remove before operation. Installation. The EV charger should be mounted between 24 inches, 600 millimeters, and 48 inches, 1.2 meters, from grade, ensuring adequate slack for the charging cable and NEMA outlet, and that temperatures range from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. The charger must be within Wi-Fi signal range. On the plaster board, draw a horizontal line at the desired height using a bubble level, then align and mark the top of the mounting bracket for the 4 drilled holes. Install drywall anchors, then mount the bracket with screws. If installing the gun cradle, attach it below or beside the charger. For a bottom mount, install with 3 screws, and for a side mount, use 4 screws. To attach the gun cradle, mark, drill, and insert anchors, then screw it in place. To mount the EV charger, remove the front cover with an Allen wrench, disconnect the NEMA cable, and remove the cable gland nut. Connect the 6 AWG copper wires to terminals 1, 2, and 3, ensuring proper torque, then reattach the cover. Finally, turn on the breaker, ensuring the power light is on. The charger is factory set to charge at 40 amps. Connection setup. Download the EMPORIA app and pair it with your charger by selecting the EV charger option. Grant the app access and wait for it to find your charger's Bluetooth signal. Once detected, select it to begin the connection. The app will ask for location permission, allowing either precise or general location. After selecting your Wi-Fi network and entering your password, the app will connect to the EMPORIA cloud. You can name the charger and input your vehicle type. The app defaults to a 50 amp circuit for 40 amp continuous power delivery, but you can adjust the output if needed. For hardwiring, ensure the charger is on a 60 amp circuit for 48 amp delivery. Once setup is complete, the app checks for firmware updates and you're ready to start charging. The app also lets users set charging schedules. How to use. Unplug the vehicle charge port by pressing the button on the charge handle. Then open the charge port door by pressing and holding the trunk button on the key fob. Insert the charge handle into the vehicle charge port. Check the vehicle controls to verify charging. To remove the charge handle from the vehicle, press and hold the button on the handle to unlock the charge port. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.